Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Let's begin today's session. The first question is, what is the theme of World Radio Day 2025? Radio and climate change, radio for education, radio and science, or radio for development? The correct answer is option A, radio and climate change. World Radio Day is observed annually on 13th February to raise awareness about the importance of radio. The theme for this year's World Radio Day is Radio and Climate Change. The day emphasizes radio's unique power to connect people and spread information worldwide. Next, what is the primary concern regarding lithium mining in Salar de Uyuni? Groundwater depletion, lack of lithium supply, high fuel emissions, or lack of research? The correct answer is option A, groundwater depletion. Lithium mining in Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia has raised environmental concerns. The region is home to the world's largest known lithium deposit, vital for electric vehicle batteries. A recent study found high arsenic levels in the brine ponds, far exceeding safe limits. Next, which country has the most athletes in the top 100 list? Spain, USA, Portugal, or Brazil? The correct answer is option B, USA. Cristiano Ronaldo is once again the highest paid athlete in the world for 2024 with a total income of $260 million. This is the second consecutive year he has topped the list, largely due to his lucrative contract with Saudi Arabian club Al Nassr. No women made it to the top 100 highest paid athletes this year, highlighting the gender pay gap in professional sports. USA has the most athletes in the top 100 list. Next, which planet did Indian scientists discover outside the solar system? TOI 6038a-b, TOI 5075, Kepler 186f, or TRAPPIST-1? The correct answer is option A, TOI 6038a-b. Indian scientists have discovered a new alien planet, TOI 6038a-b, located outside the solar system. The planet is bigger than Earth but smaller than Saturn, with a mass 78.5 times that of Earth and a radius 6.41 times larger than Earth. TOI 6038a-b is part of a binary star system, orbiting an F-type star every 5.83 days in a circular orbit. Next, where will Exercise Cyclone 2025 be held? Rajasthan, New Delhi, Cairo, or Egypt? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Exercise Cyclone 2025 is a joint military exercise between India and Egypt Army. This is the third edition of Cyclone exercise. The first edition of the exercise was conducted in 2023 and second edition was in 2024. The goal is to improve coordination between the two armies. Training will include real-world scenarios and tactical drills. Next, which state topped the Panchayat Devolution Index Report 2025? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, or Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Karnataka. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj on Thursday released a report on the status of devolution to panchayats in states in Delhi. The Panchayat Devolution Index Report is an evidence-based ranking of states and UTs based on 6 frameworks. The states and UTs were ranked by each of the following 6 dimensions: framework, functions, finances, functionaries, capacity enhancement, and accountability. And the first 5 states in the ranking were Karnataka, followed by Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Next, what is the name of India's first automated biomedical waste treatment plant? Srishti, Srijanam, Samarth, or Suraksha? The correct answer is option B, Srijanam. Recently, Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant at AIIMS, New Delhi. The plant, named Srijanam, was developed by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology. Designed to manage biomedical waste sustainably, the plant disinfects pathogenic waste such as blood, urine, sputum, and laboratory disposables without using incinerators. Next, which environmental think tank released the Climate Risk Index 2025? Greenpeace, World Wildlife Fund, German Watch, or United Nations Environment Programme? India has improved its climate risk index, ranked from 7th worst affected country globally due to extreme weather events in 2019 to 49th in 2022. The findings are part of the CRI 2025 released by the environmental think tank Green Watch on Wednesday that analyzed 6 indicators including fatalities and economic loss due to extreme weather events reported in the countries during 1993 to 2022. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution allows for the imposition of President's rule in states? Article 356, Article 370, Article 174, or Article 72? The correct answer is option A, Article 356. Recently, President's rule has been imposed in violence hit Manipur days after Chief Minister N. Biren Singh resigned. This is the 11th time President's rule has been declared in the state since 1951. Article 174, Clause 1 of the Constitution says that state assemblies have to be convened no later than 6 months after their last sitting. Next, which region of India is known for producing the Kani shawl? Gujarat, Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, or Rajasthan? The correct answer is option B, Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Paris highlighted India's rich textile heritage through his red Kani shawl. This hand-woven accessory representing Kashmiri artisans' craftsmanship was a blend of traditional artistry and modern elegance, signaling India's cultural diplomacy. Next, what is the main cause of the extinction of dragonfly species in Pune as per the study? Natural disasters, increased land use changes and urbanization, overfishing in water bodies, or excessive rainfall? The correct answer is option B, increased land use changes and urbanization. 8 dragonfly species have vanished from the Pune district, while 27 new species have been discovered according to a new study. The research conducted by citizen scientists and researchers indicates that the disappearance of local dragonfly populations is linked to land use changes, increased water pollution, shifting weather patterns, and rapid urbanization. Next, which of the following factors contribute to Hawaii being known as the rainbow capital of the world? Frequent snowfalls, regular sunshine and short rain showers, air pollution and dust storms, or high altitude and temperature variations? The correct answer is option B, regular sunshine and short rain showers. Hawaii's regular sunshine, short rain showers, and clean air come together to create some of the planet's best conditions for viewing rainbows. They are such a frequent sight that a University of Hawaii professor calls the state the rainbow capital of the world. Next, which of the following methods is used in Dokra metal craft for casting metal objects? Sand casting, lost wax casting, die casting, or injection molding? The correct answer is option B, lost wax casting. Prime Minister of India gifted a Dokra artwork to French President Emmanuel Macron during the AI Summit in Paris, showcasing India's rich handicraft traditions. Dokra or Dhokra is a non-ferrous metal casting technique utilizing the lost wax casting method. This technique has been practiced for over 4,000 years and is renowned for its primitive simplicity and the creation of unique folk motifs. Next, Sarojini Naidu was the first female governor of which state in post-independence India? Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, or Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. India marks National Women's Day on February 13 to celebrate the legacy of Sarojini Naidu, fondly known as the Nightingale of India. A fearless leader and a gifted poet, Naidu played a crucial role in the country's freedom struggle and worked tirelessly for women's rights. Her birthday was chosen as National Women's Day to acknowledge the contributions of women in various fields and their role in shaping the nation's future. Notably, she made history as India's first female governor, leading Uttar Pradesh after independence. Next, what phenomena caused the formation of an Einstein ring? Stellar parallax, gravitational lensing, cosmic microwave background radiation, or quantum tunneling? The correct answer is option B, gravitational lensing. Recently, scientists discovered Einstein ring around nearby galaxy. The first Einstein ring was discovered in 1987, and since then, several more have been discovered. However, it remains unclear how many such rings exist. An Einstein ring is a ring of light around a form of dark matter, galaxy or cluster of galaxies. It is essentially an example of gravitational lensing. Next, according to the Central Groundwater Board report, which of the following contaminants have been found in excessive levels in the groundwater of Punjab and Haryana? Lead, zinc and iron, uranium, arsenic and nitrates, mercury, fluoride and chlorine, or sulfur, phosphates and sodium? The correct answer is option B, uranium, arsenic and nitrates. The Central Groundwater Board report attributes the rising uranium levels to leaching from agricultural land. Intensive use of fertilizers has exacerbated the problem. Several districts in Punjab and Haryana have excessive levels of uranium, nitrates, arsenic, chloride and fluoride, surpassing permissible limits in their groundwater according to the recently released Annual Groundwater Quality Report 2024. Next, which two states in India are identified as having significant potash reserves? Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan, or Rajasthan and Gujarat? The correct answer is option B, Punjab and Haryana. Recently, potash reserve found 450 meters below surface in 2 Punjab districts. Potash refers to potassium-bearing minerals that are primarily used in fertilizers. Over 90% of potash is used as fertilizer and is one of the 3 primary agricultural nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium or NPK. Next, What is the primary cause of the deterioration of the Great Barrier Reef? Ocean acidification, rising ocean surface temperatures, overfishing, or coastal development? The correct answer is option B, rising ocean surface temperatures. The Great Barrier Reef, home to over 1,500 marine species and a World Heritage Site, is dying as ocean surface temperature rises. 2024 was the hottest year on record for global oceans. And in-water surveys done by the Australian Institute of Marine Science found up to 72% coral mortality on 12 of 19 reefs surveyed in the north of the Great Barrier Reef. Next, which cemetery did Prime Minister Modi visit in Marseille to pay tribute to Indian soldiers? La Belle Cemetery, Mazagas Cemetery, Notre Dame Cemetery, or Montparnasse Cemetery? The correct answer is option B, Mazagas Cemetery. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Marseille in southern France and paid homage to the memory of freedom fighter V.D. Savarkar, who attempted a courageous escape at the port city. Landed in Marseille in India's quest for freedom, the city holds a special significance. It was here that the great Veer Savarkar attempted a courageous escape. The last question is, which article of the Constitution was cited by senior advocate A.M. Singhvi in arguing the powers of the state legislature regarding the reconciliation of bills? Article 123, Article 200, Article 105, or Article 175? The correct answer is option B, Article 200. Supreme Court asks Tamil Nadu governor why he did not let state know his objections on bills. Under Article 200, a governor has three options when bills are sent to him for assent. That is, either to give assent, withhold assent, or refer the bills to the president for consideration. That's all in today's episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.